My name is Aditya, and this is a quick demo of the Spotify Music Player UI I created as a part of a front-end assignment. This player is built using React.js, SCSS, and React Bootstrap, and the design is based on Figma layout. I started by understanding the UI design in Figma and plan how to break the layout into React components. I used a dummy JSON object to store song data, including title, artist, cover image, duration, and audio URL. The app has three main tabs. First one, For You tab for the showing all songs in music player. Second one, Favorite tabs for the showing favorite songs. And I have a button in here for the adding favorite like this Shopify kit. Sorry. Now the song in showing in favorite tabs like this. And third one tab for the recently playing song. And I handle the data player logic using React hooks like use state, use effect, and use reference for styling. And I used custom CSS to match the design and bootstrap for layout and responsive support. Uh, this player is has some key features like responsive design. Like it's on a smaller screen, the sidebar become a collapse menu like this. I can show it like this, and here's three tabs, and for bigger screen like this, and search functionality for searching the song by name and artist name or by title, and the dynamic background change based on selected tracks like if I click the song sorry like this song, the background has changed, background had changed. And some audio controller like a play or pause forward and forward and backward, and a progress bar for the song duration, and forwarding move on, and volume controller like if I played song and the audited, the value is full. So l- like this controller, and some any features like favorite songs stored in local storage, and recently played song in stored in session storage. And I have faced some challenges, like one challenge I faced was managing audio playback across component re-renders. To solve this, I use a use reference hook to store and control the audio object directly, so it does not re-initialize on every render. This project helped me understand how to build a fully functional media rich UI with React, managing component state and side effects, using browser storage for appreciating user data, debugging and error handling in React. My final thought is overall, this was a great learning experience. I enjoyed building the music player and implementing real world features from scratch using only front end tools. Uh, that's it.